In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI traffic control to expand your active audience on an existing sending domain in Tiny Email. This is for you if you're already sending campaigns from Tiny Email, but you want to safely reach more of your list and re-engage people who haven't opened in a while. AI traffic control helps you grow that active audience while protecting your sender reputation. To get started, go to the AI traffic control tab in the top navigation. On this page, you'll see your traffic trends and provider performance. In the top right corner, click on the green Activate AI Traffic Control button. A window called Grow Your Audience will appear with two options: import new subscribers or re-engage subscribers. We're working with an existing Tiny Email sending domain, so choose re-engage subscribers. After you choose re-engage subscribers, you'll go straight to the AI Traffic Control screen. In the Active Segment section, set opens in the last X days, and then choose how many days you want to go back to look. 30 days is a good default, but you can increase if you want to reach deeper into your list. In the setup section, give your warmup a clear name like existing domain re-engagement. For warmup type, select existing domain currently sending on Tiny Email. With this option, the AI looks at your recent engagement, open rates, and volumes. It then continues ramping your sending safely while reactivating inactive subscribers and growing your active audience. You can also pick a reference campaign from the drop-down so the AI can learn from past campaign performance and use that as a baseline. When you're happy with the settings, click Save. Now that your AI traffic control is set up for this existing Tiny Email domain, you need to add it to the campaign so it can start working. During the campaign creation, when you reach the Select Your Audience screen, select the AI Traffic Control tab at the top and check the checkbox near the AI Traffic Control that we've set up in the previous step. Don't forget to save the changes or finish the campaign schedule. AI Traffic Control is in charge and ready to serve. To avoid doing this each time you schedule the campaign, you can always clone the previous campaign that was assigned to be used with AI Traffic Control. By cloning the campaign, it will take all the pre-selected audiences. After you save, you'll return to the AI Traffic Control page. You'll see your re-engagement setup listed with its name, start date, and status. As your campaigns run, the charts on this page will show you how your volumes and open rates change across each provider. In the background, AI Traffic Control watches opens, clicks, and spam signals every single day. It automatically adjusts your volume so you can reach more people without putting your existing domain at risk. Now, if you want this process to happen automatically and ongoing, you should look at the reoccurring option during your initial setup. Under the setup section, you'll find the checkbox labeled Active Reoccurring. By ticking this, you're telling the AI Traffic Control to keep working even after it completes its first pass. Once the initial iteration is finished, the AI will automatically reset and recreate your re-engagement segments. This allows the feature to run through your inactive audience in continuous cycles, constantly looking for new engagement opportunities until you decide to turn it off. And that is how you expand your audience on an existing Tiny Email sending domain using AI Traffic Control. If you want to try this for yourself, you could sign up for Tiny Email for free in the link in the description. And we'll catch you next time.